Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites so nothing blocks development. Confirm Xcode 14 or newer and command line tools are present. Once done, retrieve your OpenAI API key and decide where to store it. Keychain is safer than plain text. Make sure to create a new Xcode project and add a Swift package for HTTP calls. You're already coding. Create a dedicated API client file and stub the request method so you can iterate quickly without cluttering your view controllers. Now integrate Chatgpt by building a robust API client. Set base URL, add authorization, bearer header with your key, and configure JSON encoder/decoder for codable models. Once done, define request and response models that match the API schema and add streaming support if you plan real-time token display. Next, wire calls into a view model or controller using async-await. Make sure to handle cancellation and rate limits. Test with simple prompts, then iterate on prompt formatting and retry logic for reliability. Finish by polishing the UX. Implement streaming, token display, or simulated typing, add error banners and retry buttons, and ensure responses append correctly to conversation state. Make sure to secure your API key, move it to Keychain, or use a server-side proxy for production. Once done, run thorough tests for rate limits, timeouts, and malformed responses. If something breaks, check headers and HTTP status codes first. A single missing authorization header causes most failures, so validate keys and use exponential backoff for retries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.